According to latest media reports, Pakistan has successfully carried out a night training test of its 290 km range surface-to-surface ballistic system, which is heavily influenced from the Chinese M11 design. The Modi government is not concerned by the test, and top experts have said that it is clear that the test was done deliberately to attract attention of the international community. The Indian Air Force will receive the bunker buster version of the Israeli Spice-2000 system and the Mark 84 systems by the second week of September. India had signed a deal with Israel worth around 300 crore rupees for acquiring these systems, which has a standoff range of 60 kilometers and approaches the target with its unique scene marching algorithm. The CEO of BrahMos Aerospace has said that India could sign contracts on the delivery of BrahMos systems to friendly countries by the end of 2019. The joint venture company is now waiting for the approval of the Indian and Russian government to sign the contracts. As per latest media reports, India is likely to purchase only naval surveillance drones from the US and will not acquire Predator-armed drones under the foreign military sales route. The Indian Air Force finds the cost as prohibitive and does not see them useful in the context of its operational role in the region, while the Indian Army is committed to an indigenous program of the DRDO. According to Chinese media, China's Central Military Commission has favored the J-20 for aircraft carrier operations, as it is more advanced and reliable than the J-31. The J-20 will also need some upgrade work before it can be operated from the new electromagnetic catapults of China's next generation of aircraft carriers. The Director of International Cooperation and Regional Policy of Russian State Corporation has said that the delay in the development of the Indo-Russia fifth-generation fighter jet program is from the Indian side, and Russia has not cancelled any agreement with the Indian government. He also said that the Indian Air Force has its own views and strategy of development, while the first batch of Su-57 has been ordered by the Russian Air Force. The Ministry of Defense has reduced the annual production target of ammunition by 40% in different ordnance factories, and this reduction in production target has also reduced the standard man-hours to 48 hours, instead of current 51 hours. The trade unions are preparing to start another protest against the reduction of production target. India's National Security Advisor Ajit Doval will meet his French counterpart Emmanuel Bon today, during which the procurement of second set of 36 Rafale fighter jets and heavy helicopters for the Indian Coast Guard can be discussed during the meeting. Additional Scorpene submarines and new engines for fighter jets will also be on the agenda for the dialogue.